Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Motorola G62 versus Motorola G52. So let's get start the video. Let's start with dimension. Height. Motorola G62 has 160 mm height and G52 has 160.1 mm height. Width. Motorola G62 has 74.5 mm width and G52 has 74.5 mm width. Thickness. Motorola G62 has 8 mm thickness and G52 has also the 8 mm thickness. Weight. Motorola G62 has 170 gram weight and 52 has 169 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. Motorola G62 has 6.5 inches a screen size and Motorola G52 has 6.6 inches a screen size. Resolution. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone have 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone have 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Motorola G62 has 405 ppi pixel density and Motorola G52 has 402 ppi pixel density. Display type. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone have Super AMOLED display. Protection. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. A screen to body ratio. Motorola G62 has 87.2% screen to body ratio and Motorola G52 has 86.9% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about both the phone camera. Start with Motorola G62. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और STR LED flash. Let's talk Motorola G52. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide of 8 megapixel aperture 2.1 और माइक्रो कैमरा 2 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.2 और एलईडी फ्लैश और एचडीआर. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone can record 4K video at 30 fps. Let's talk both the phone selfie camera. Motorola G62 and Motorola G52 both the phone have 60 megapixel camera aperture 2.4. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk both the phone hardware. Motorola G62 have Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus processor and Motorola G52 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. CPU. Motorola G62 has octa-core Cryo 460 processor and Motorola G52 has octa-core Cryo 265 processor. GPU. Motorola G62 has Adreno 619 and G52 has Adreno 610. RAM. Motorola G62 has 4GB RAM variant and Motorola G52 has 4GB 6GB RAM variant. Internal storage. Motorola G62 has 128GB internal storage or G52 has also the same 128GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. Motorola G62 has a SD card slot and G52 has also support SD card slot. Battery. Motorola G62 has 5000 mAh battery and Motorola G52 has also the same 5000 mAh battery. Fast charging. Motorola G62 has 30 watt fast charger and Motorola G52 has also the 30 watt fast charger. Operating system. Motorola G62 has Android 12 Motorola UI and G52 has also Android 12 Motorola UI operating system. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Start with Motorola G62. It's have a side mounted fingerprint. It support 5G network, support NFC, Wi-Fi 5, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, UFS 2.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Motorola G52. It's also support a side mounted fingerprint. It support only 4G network. It support NFC, only 90Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, UFS 2.1 or Wi-Fi. Let's talk both the phone price. Motorola G62 come around 25,000 of $322 of 4GB RAM variant, and Motorola G52 come with around 25,000 of $322 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's talk about the phone result. Design wise, both the phone look similar. Camera wise, I will go for both the phone are same. Hardware wise, I will go for Motorola G62. Connectivity wise, both are same, and price wise also the both are phone are same. If we choose one, then absolutely go for Motorola G62. If you like our video, then thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day.